Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So today in this video, we're going to see about one of the issues that has been recently faced by a subscriber, and this was a question that's been asked in the WhatsApp channel. So I've jumped in and fixed this issue, but I really want to reproduce this issue and show it to you so that how we can see how to replace this. I mean, how to fix this issue when you are facing this in your real time. So in case if you are here after facing a similar issue, so we'll see that here. And in fact, the error that comes up will in fact redirect you, but by doing these techniques, it'll be very easy for you to fix this issue. So we'll see first what is the issue, and then we'll see the steps on how to fix it. And before we move on to this video, this is me, Asan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to our Little Sly YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to join my channel for getting more quality content like this. And please do join our WhatsApp channel where I think we have people rapidly joining our WhatsApp channel where we are able to help the people, and you can help others with your knowledge. And there are like lots of job opportunities that are getting posted. So please do join the channel and get a better in your everyday. So firstly, let me so what happens is like I'm trying to open a file, a JMX file, and you can see there is a error window that's loading up, and it shows problem loading the XML file, which is mainly the JMX file that has been that I'm trying to open, which is this plan.jmx. And the cause, it has given an end of file exception, and then you can see the error, which is like thoughtworks.extreme.converts conversion exception. And the same way, you can even see the cause exception error here. And the class, which is org.apache, JMeter, save script wrapper, required type, convert type. So everything is there, and even it gives the line number. So what happened here is um, I have a file and that's been broken. And there are like several reasons. There can be like several chances where this might happen to you. I don't want this to happen for you, but still, if it happens, so this is the video for that. So you're going to solve this. And like I told you, some scenarios where you are sending your JMX file to some location, or when you're uploading your files to a collaboration, to a GitHub, or through some of the repositories, there are a little bit of chances where your file might miss some of the data at the end while you are uploading, if there is like some network errors or some other issues. So in those scenarios, what happens is like the JMX file that you are sending might not reach the target completely. So in those scenarios, you will face this issue. And yeah, like I told you, so I'm trying to open JMX file, and it has come up with this error. So let me open the XML file, and we'll see how to fix it. So the first step to fix it is I'm opening the bin folder, and I'm trying to open the file which I'm trying here. So let me first, okay, it's under this one, and the test plan.jmx. So I'm editing with Notepad, and here you can see the file. So this is the file, but yeah, like I told you, it won't be, I mean, you won't be able to open it in the JMeter, but there is always an option to open it. You can edit it via the Notepad, so you can see the XML format of this, the file that you have it. And just to show you a quick comparison, so let me again open it and show you what happens if I'm trying to open it. And I'll tell you the ways to fix it. So here, if you see, most of the times the JMeter will try to get the end tags for you. So if you see here, it shows like end of file exception and no more data available and expected end tag. So this is what we need. So if you see, this has given the tags here. So I'm just copying all these tags to close the start tag, and it tells me from which line to which line I have to make this change. So I'm just copying all these lines, and then coming back to my original notepad file. So here I have these are the lines which I've deleted previously, and if you see, I have those lines. So just to compare, so I have the first value here, and then the object property, and then I have the result collector, I have the hash tree, end hash tree, and then the JMeter test plan. But apart from this, yeah, just one thing, this particular string prop name equal to file name uh, is missing because that has not been restored. I mean, that could not be identified by the JMeter. So that's the reason you could see all the other tags. You can see the value tags, you can see the object prop, the result collector, which has been missing, and then the hash trees, and then the JMeter test plan. So the minimum thing is like instead, if you cannot open the entire thing, or you might be missing something else, but still, this will help you to bring the maximum amount of data that you can bring into your system. And then a few more things which I want to discuss here. So yeah, going back here, so I have got these one. So what we'll do is I'll just copy these files, and then we'll try to open the file and see how does it work. So I have just added it. I even do not have added any indentation to the file. So I'm just saving it, and let's try to open the file, clicking on OK, and then the testplan.jmx. Yep. So now you can see at least I'm able to recover my file, right? So because in some scenarios, what happens is like you'll be doing a huge set of scripts, like you'll be having multiple scripts, you'll do everything, and at the last moment, if something goes wrong like this, you might not be able to, and you have to do everything from the scratch. So that is again a lot of pain in doing everything. So that is why you can use this technique. Again, I would say, so you can even see here there is a lot of difference between the file that I have removed from here and then the file that JMeter has given us in the error notification. So JMeter will try to help us with the maximum amount of tags to retrieve the file, but still, if we are lucky, we'll get all the tags, but not in those scenarios. We'll get at least the maximum amount of files so that we'll be at least able to open it, and then we'll have to do a manual validation for all the scripts, and then after that we'll be able to recover the file. So yeah, so this is how we can recover your file which is throwing that error which you are facing in the previous window, in the initial screens. I think this video would be very useful to you, so please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to join my channel as well, so that will help me to create more quality content. And please don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel as well. And for any individual trainings or any individual consultations, please do reach out to me in my WhatsApp. And yeah, with that I come to an end, and I believe this video will be very useful to you. So until I meet you in our next video, it's bye bye from Asan Shanmugam and your favorite little channel. Thank you and bye bye.